This is a new box that we have in store. It has a Virgin, Sky and IPTV built in 3-in-1. And as we're gonna demonstrate the boot up, and the channel is OpenATV. So let's have a look what it has new in store. And what do we get with this bouquet or package, as we said. So it's loading up at the moment. The boot logo appears to be gray, so kind of metallic design, and well, resolution 1080p, which is HD. And also here comes some channel straight away. We have the Animal Planet, you have the weather forecast widget on, and the time that tells you. So let's have a look what we got as channel. If I press the remote, and here all the channel appears. You got Cartoon Network, you get all the BBC Sport, French channel, most of them. Well, as you can see, it might be about 1500 channel. Yeah, if I click on Disney Channel, straight away that kicks in and plays up. If I go again on the menu, go back, let's go to Sky. Yeah, Sky Movies. Say comedy, for example. Yeah, it kicks up automatically. Sky Movies Comedy HD. And here we go. The new box is very fast and ready to go.